Welcome back to DavTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Airtel merchant number for your business or for yourself. A merchant number is the number that you can use to receive money. So watch this video as I take you through a step-by-step on how you can do it using your phone, any kind of a phone, as long as you have Airtel SIM card, old or new. This is very easy. But of course, before we get started, I would like you to click on the subscription button, liking this video, and also sharing it. Then leave a comment to thank me if you're happy for this tutorial and this video. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Right, of course, as I told you that I am going to show you how you can create or generate an Airtel merchant number for your business or for yourself. Now, this is how we get started. Go to your phone, any kind of phone. So for me, I'm going to use this small phone just to direct you. So you go and dial *185 *10 *10, then click on hash. Of course, you dial to Airtel. Then from there, it's going to give you an option where you enter your business name. You either enter your business name or you enter your name or a company name. Now from here, you enter your business name. So for me, I'm entering DavTech Uganda Limited. Then after, you select option 1, which is agreeing on the terms and condition. Yes, after agreeing the terms and condition, now you enter your mobile money PIN to confirm that you want to get this code. Right, after you confirming, now you can see everything is now done and the message will be sent into your phone whereby you're going to see your merchant number. Now, as you can see, this is my merchant number already generated to me. That is 66, and of course, as you're seeing it there, then to prove or for you to see that this is it, so you dial *185 *9, that is to send money to Airtel Marchant Momo. So dial *185 *9, then hash, then you wait. Now here you enter your merchant number, the merchant number that you want to try, or to try your merchant number to really see if it is the one you've created. Now from here you enter the amount, like just as a trial, you want to try to send something. Even if you don't have money, just do it. Then I enter this amount. Then of course I click on go. Yeah, you can see that it is showing me that I am sending this amount of money to David Amod. That is real my names. Then the business name is DavTech Uganda Limited. So that is all how you create Airtel merchant number on your phone. So guys, that is all how you create a merchant number for your business or for yourself and start receiving money via merchant number. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click on the subscription button, liking this video and also sharing. Then finally, you leave a comment under this video description on what you maybe need me to do for you in the next coming videos. Let's meet.